Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to find factorial in Python. This program is very easy and useful for beginners. Let's start. Here n is the number for which we want to find the factorial. In this example, we are finding factorial of 5. That's why I gave n equals to 5. And next, I will give fact equal to 1. We create a variable called fact. We start with 1 because factorial always start from 1. That's why. And next, I will give for loop of for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1 close bracket colon. This is say for loop. Range of 1 comma n plus 1 means numbers from 1 to 5. So the loop will run for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay. And next I will give fact into equals to I. This means fact equals to fact into I. Each time we multiply the current value of fact with I. That is like a step-by-step calculation. 1 into 1 equals to 1 and 1 into 2 equals to 2 and 2 into 3 equal to 6. 6 into 4 equals to 24 like that. Okay, and 24 into 5 like that you should calculate. And next I will give print of fact. This prints the final factorial value. Then output will be, guess it. See, output will be 120, right? Yes. Okay, that's it guys. This is how we find factorial using Python. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.